Mabuhay, Trippers Pilipinas! This is Rai Corpus all the way from the historical places of the Philippines, Malolos, Bulacan. And I am representing the House of All Stars. And today, I stand before you to talk about something that is close to my heart.
Hashtag Youth Empowerment.
When we talk about the empowerment, it is not about giving the young people a voice. It is about giving them the opportunity, the support, and the confidence to use that voice to create a real change. But the empowerment does not come automatically. It requires the trust from our elders and the platforms to be heard and the courage from us to step forward. We need to believe that age does not define our capacity. What defines us is our commitment, integrity, and the willingness to serve.
And as a testament, here are some of the projects, achievements, and programs I did which really can make a difference in our community.
If we, the youth, stand together, educated, inspired, and empowered, then the future will not just be bright, it will be in the right hands. Again, this is Rai Corpus, a catalyst of change for the youth empowerment.